tech enthusiasts, let's talk tech. Today's showcase is something truly special to me and dear to my heart. So imagine transforming an empty lot into a vibrant community hub where food, architecture, and art come together perfectly. So that's exactly what we've accomplished here at Tri-State 3D, working with the Northeast Community Development Corporation. So we're talking about a revolutionary food truck hub over on the northeast side of Wilmington, Delaware. And this hub features uniquely positioned food trucks, a stunning architectural design gazebo that becomes the centerpiece of the space, as well as green space, custom artwork panels that wrap the entire property. When we got done with this project, we were amazed. So this project isn't just about creating a space, it's about bringing communities together through innovative design and outdoor spaces. And today I'm taking you behind the scenes to show you how we exactly do it. Let's jump in. So as you can see here, this is actually the Matterport digital twin. And as we walk through the digital twin, you can really get a sense of the space and what we were working with when we went out there to actually scan this. So in scanning this actually gave me topographical contours of the actual site and measurements of the actual site. So let's go to floor plan view on this actual site. And let me zoom in here. You can actually see the contours of what we were working with. And from there, we added measurements. We took this into Revit and created a point cloud. And then we were actually able to get the actual measurements of this property. So from here, let's go ahead and jump into Revit. Let me show you the point cloud. So we're here in Revit. And we have the point cloud. This is incredible. Look at this point cloud. Look how beautiful and stunning it looks with the detail. So then now we'll go to floor plan. And then this is what you get. We're able to actually measure all around this site to get the actual lot size. Even where all the curbs are. If you zoom in closely, you can see where all of the curb contours are. This is incredible. This is truly stunning. And then if we go back into 3D, you can actually see how incredible this point cloud is. It actually picked up all the trees. So from there, we're going to jump over to here. And here is where we created our stunning model. This is after we went out, scanned the space, and then brought it into Revit, and then we recreated the actual space in Revit. And then here it is in actual 3D. This is incredible. This is incredible. It might take some time. It's just thinking. Oh, this is incredible. This is incredible. So this is what we've modeled here. This is our concept of this space in 3D. So you see we have the 4 food trucks, you have people outside, we have our architecturally designed gazebo. It is incredible. Okay, so now let's jump into Inkscape here and let me show you how the model looks rendered. This is taking some time to think. We'll be there in a second. Let me zoom in here. Look how incredible this looks. Look how incredible this looks. So as we actually move through the site, I'm just going to get it into a perfect spot so then that way I could do a 360 view of this. Look at this space. So we've strategically placed the people in there. We've placed the curbing in there. We've also, put some trees in here. And then these are the panels. These beautiful art panels here. Oh, here's our beautiful gazebo here. Here's our beautiful gazebo. We have somebody here. We have a gentleman here just sitting on this lunch break. We have a young lady here enjoying the actual green space. And then we have our food trucks here. We have people here waiting for our food trucks. So this is just a stunning example of how we went from LiDAR scanning the actual site to the actual point cloud, and then here you're seeing the final model. This was an incredible project, and I'm just glad to be a part of it. So that's it. This is our workflow. This is how we do at Tri-State 3D. Again, thank you for joining me of Let's Talk Tech. Peace.